Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford Maverick XL. Coming in this nice velocity blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter hybrid engine with all-wheel drive capabilities and comes equipped with a 4K tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, your backup camera. Got some silver rims on this vehicle as well with blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we do get that lovely Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. Nice black cloth interior, some storage there, plenty of storage in the back. You got cloth accents on the door, carpet interior, rear charge ports, little hook for storage, and you do get your nice little storage underneath the seats, which is pretty handy. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do get a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Lights, gas cap, trailer brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 16 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, drive modes, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get a digital speedometer, we have my view, trip and economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, parking make, traction, got tons of storage as well, cup holders, your center console with more storage. We're going to go through our drive modes real quick before I forget, where we do get normal, sport, tow and haul, and then we get eco, and slippery. Continue our look over here, we have our play back, play forward. You do get a nice little comm screen as well, just tells you the date and time, hazards, max temp, auto hold, volume, some outlets there, storage below, you got storage on the dash as well. And looking at our main screen here, you get all your climate controls at the bottom, audio, phone, settings, features and apps, Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Got your phone controls, your navigation, or not navigation, your settings, just your basic vehicle settings. Features of the vehicle, such as towing, driving assist, your owner's manual, and any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RB20423, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.